Do you want to make a professional PowerPoint presentation slide like this? Watch the video till the end. So let's begin the topic. Let me insert a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape from here and drag it over here like this. And from here make it more sharper and keep this here. And click on this slide, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline and press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this and reduce the size and place it again, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Again place Ctrl D to duplicate, place it like this and press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Now press Ctrl A to select all the shapes, click on right button, click on group and place it like this. You can change the size from here. This looks good. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. And press Ctrl A, place it over here and press Ctrl G to group them together. Now click on this shape, go to Shape Format, go to Fill, go to Picture or Texture Fill, go to Insert, from a file, I have to add this picture, click on Insert. Now go to Design, go to Format Background, go to Gradient Fill and change the fill color from here. And click on this shape, go to Picture Format, go to Correction and you can change the correction from here. You can add some animations from here, go to Animation, click on Glow and Turn and go to Insert, go to Text Box, drag it over here. You can write this text over here and change the font size and you can change the word art style from here. Now this looks good. So this is our professional PowerPoint presentation. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share. Thank you.